Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with an in-depth review of the Adobe Edge Security Camera. This sleek and sophisticated device promises top-notch features like 1080p HD video, night vision, and smart home integration. Whether you're looking to beef up your home security or just keep an eye on things while you're away, this camera claims to have it all. But does it really live up to the hype? Stick around as we put the Adobe Edge Security Camera to the test, exploring its performance, build quality, and overall value for your money. Let's get started. Features: resolution and image quality. The Adobe Edge Security Camera offers 1080p HD video resolution, providing clear and detailed footage. Equipped with a wide-angle lens, it captures a broad field of view, ideal for monitoring large areas. Night vision capabilities ensure visibility in low-light conditions, with infrared LEDs enhancing nighttime performance. Connectivity and integration. The camera supports Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling remote access and control via a dedicated mobile app. Integration with smart home systems such as Alexa and Google Home allows for voice control and automation. Cloud storage options and local storage via SD card provide flexible data storage solutions. Motion detection and alerts. Advanced motion detection technology reduces false alarms and ensures timely alerts. Customizable motion zones allow users to define specific areas for monitoring, enhancing security and reducing unnecessary notifications. Build quality and durability. The camera is designed with a weather-resistant housing, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Robust construction materials ensure durability and longevity, even in harsh weather conditions. Audio features. Two-way audio allows users to communicate with individuals near the camera, useful for greeting visitors or deterring intruders. Noise reduction technology enhances audio clarity. Installation and setup. The camera offers a straightforward installation process with mounting hardware included. The mobile app provides step-by-step guidance for setup, ensuring ease of use even for non-tech-savvy users. Performance. Video and audio quality. The 1080p resolution delivers high-quality video, with clear details and accurate color reproduction. Night vision performs well, providing clear images in complete darkness. The two-way audio is clear, with minimal lag, making communication easy and effective. Reliability and connectivity. The camera maintains a stable connection over Wi-Fi, with minimal dropouts. The mobile app is responsive and user-friendly, providing real-time access to live feeds and recordings. Build quality. The Adobe Edge Security Camera features a solid build with a weather-resistant design, making it suitable for various environments. Materials used in the construction are high quality, ensuring the camera can withstand physical impacts and adverse weather conditions. The sleek and modern design blends well with different home or business aesthetics. Value for money. Pros. High-resolution video and advanced features like motion detection and two-way audio provide significant value. Competitive pricing compared to similar high-end security cameras in the market. Flexibility in storage options, including both cloud and local storage, offers good value for different user needs. Cons. Some users might find the cloud storage subscription costs a bit high compared to other brands. Advanced features may require a learning curve for non-tech-savvy users, which can be a minor disadvantage. Advantages. High-quality video and audio. The camera's 1080p resolution and two-way audio capabilities offer excellent monitoring and communication features. Smart integration. Compatibility with popular smart home systems adds convenience and automation potential. Durable design. Weather-resistant and robust build makes it versatile for indoor and outdoor use. Ease of use. User-friendly app and simple installation process make it accessible to a wide range of consumers. Disadvantages. Cloud storage costs. The subscription fees for cloud storage might be considered expensive by some users. Learning curve. The extensive features and customization options may be overwhelming for some users initially.